Good afternoon to my lecturer and my friends. My name is Sharan, son of Supramani. My registration number is 16DEM 19F1011. Today I am going to talk about Vivo Y11 and Samsung J4. So let's compare about these two phones. First of all, Vivo was made in China. It was launched in Malaysia at October 2019. Its weight is under 90.5 gram. The screen color is agate red. Vivo has 3 cameras, 2 at behind and another one is in front. The in front camera is for selfie. Another one is LED flashlight. Vivo also has fingerprint sensor. Vivo is a dual SIM. Samsung J4 was made in Vietnam. It was launched in Malaysia at March 2016. Its weight is under 75 gram. The screen color is purple. Samsung has 2 cameras, one at behind and another one is in front. It is LED flashlight. Samsung has no fingerprint sensor. It's a dual SIM. There are some specifications that I can mention about these two mobile phones. The first specifications is better front camera. For Vivo Y11, the front camera is 8 megapixels, while for Samsung J4, the front camera is 5 megapixels. The second specification is RAM. RAM means more applications run in same time, which will make the device work faster. For Vivo Y11, the RAM is 3 GB and for Samsung is 2 GB. The third specification is bigger screen. The screen for Vivo Y11 is 6.35 inch and for Samsung J4 is 5.5 inch. The advantage of having a bigger screen is you can have reading in your mobile phones, playing games, watching movies and browsing internet. The fourth specification is better screen resolution. It means sharper and crisper screen. For Vivo Y11, the screen resolution is 720 x 1544 pixels, while for Samsung J4, the screen resolution is 720 x 1280 pixels. The fifth specification is better camera resolution. For Vivo Y11, the camera resolution is 13 megapixels, while for Samsung J4, the camera resolution is also 13 megapixels. The Android version of Vivo Y11 is 9, while for Samsung J4 is 6.1. The sixth specification is bigger battery. It means more capacity of battery. For Vivo Y11, the capacity of battery is 5000 mAh, while for Samsung J4, the capacity of battery is 3000 mAh. The processor for Vivo Y11 is 1.95 GHz, while for Samsung J4 is 1.4 GHz. The internal storage of Vivo Y11 is 32 GB, while for Samsung J4 is 16 GB. The network for Vivo Y11 is 4G. It's same also for Samsung J4, 4G. The speed of the apps for Vivo Y11 is 5.76 megabytes per second, while for Samsung J4 is 5.76 megabytes per second. The screen type for Vivo Y11 is HD, while for Samsung J4 is not HD. The seventh specification is fingerprint scanner. For a new model like Vivo Y11, we use ultrasonic technology, while at the same time there is also optical fingerprint. For Samsung J4, there is no fingerprint scanner. The price for Vivo Y11 is Ringgit Malaysia 600, while for Samsung J4 is 480. The warranty for Vivo Y11 is 1 year. At the same time, it's same also for Samsung J4, 1 year. Additionally, for Vivo, there's an extra app like Smart Motion, Smart Mirroring, Smart Split, One-Handed, S-Capture, App Clone, and Smart Click. But for Samsung, there's nothing like we have in Vivo Y11. Finally, my opinion is I'm satisfied with Vivo Y11 because Vivo Y11 has a good processor, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of space, 5000 mAh battery capacity, and 5.76 megabytes per second of speed. And for those who are not yet buy a mobile phone, I advise you to buy this Vivo Y11. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you.